Hello everyone, my name is Brian Alderman and welcome to my course, Managing and Synchronizing Microsoft 365 Azure Identities. I'm a Microsoft MVP. I'm an MCT Microsoft Certified Trainer for 22 consecutive years, so lots of training. I've authored 4 published books. I'm a speaker at several SharePoint and Office 365 conferences around the world, and I'm a trainer and consultant at my own company called MicroTechPoint. After creating a Microsoft 365 tenant, you will most likely want to synchronize your current on-premises identities to that tenant. This synchronization can be completed using Azure AD Connect, which is a powerful and versatile tool, which is why it's important to understand the configuration options of Azure AD Connect and how to monitor the health of the Azure AD Connect configurations to ensure both the synchronization and the Azure AD Connect components are functioning correctly. In this course, we are going to introduce and discuss Azure AD Connect synchronization considerations, how to filter the objects being synchronized to Azure AD, how to monitor the Azure AD Connect synchronization operations, and how to use Azure AD Connect agents to monitor ADDS, ADFS, and the synchronization process. By the end of this course, you'll know what Azure AD Connect provides for synchronization of identities, what can be configured to control what objects are actually synchronized, what components are involved when synchronizing the user identities, and how to monitor the health of these components. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with your organization's Microsoft 365 deployment, have a general understanding of Microsoft 365 functionality, and know how the users will be accessing content in Microsoft 365 as well as on-premises. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Azure AD Connect synchronization with my Managing and Synchronizing Microsoft 365 Azure Identities course available here at Pluralsight.